It's Tuesday, March 31st. This is our second day of turkey scouting. Nice. What are we doing up so early?
We're going to listen for some birds this morning. Heading out here a little bit outside of Fall Creek this morning, seeing if we can hear some birds. We put them to bed last night. They're out, 4 toms are out in this field. We figured they were 2-year-olds, considering they had about 8-inch beards. You can tell they never been hunted. They're pretty dumb, but we're just hoping they roosted up in these trees this morning. Get to a few birds gobbling.
We got first season starting in 15 days. Then we'll get some action going.
Yep, for sure. We're gonna head around Fall Creek some more after this once the sun gets up, see if we can't spot ourselves some toms strutting around for some hens. Should be a good morning, got a nice clear day. A little bit chilly again this morning. Should get the birds up and on their feet.
Let's go.
Let's hope for the best. Great.
Yeah. Dude, they're hammered.
They are. Oh, right there. Right there. We got one right over here. Right in that area. Yeah. Right there. Right there.
You cannot get too much closer, folks, I'll tell you that.
These are like legit right there. Right off the road. Just give him another owl hoot.
You don't like that, but there's duckies right there.
Oh yeah.
There's a little bit of footage for you, a little ducky.
There you go.
Cutting down.
Oh, they're gonna cut right in here.
Oh, right in the water.
He's hitting hard right in there. That's crazy.
Oh, there goes a tom.
Oh yeah.
That's crazy.
Across the road. I might have missed him, but no, definitely across the road.
Riddle me why he's that close to the road. Just riddle me that.
This is a pretty busy road too. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not like this doesn't get traveled.
Yeah.
Anyways, we saw those 4 toms right out in this field yesterday. They were lined up right about here as we were going by, and we figured we ought to stop in and see if we can't get on them. And sure enough, we got permission.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we'll be back in here probably about the 3rd season, huh?
I'd assume so, but
Yeah, lives here's got the 1st season, so we'll let him have his time in the woods, and then we'll get out here after him.
yeah. I'd like to hear him gobble one more time before we leave.
Yeah, me
but-
too. There you go, man. Get back there.
Yeah, he's just in those trees now on this side of the road.
Yeah. What do you think about that, Raymond Schneider?
No, this is pretty quality
This is.
turkey hunting action.
Sure is.
Turkey scouting action, that is.
All right,
But
we're gonna go find another area. We'll get back to you guys then.
couple nice birds out. just got out of the tree. Should be able to see more fly down here soon.
Old strutter in the field.
You got one?
I don't know. Can't hear him at all. Oh, yeah, he's got a nice,
Deer.
he's got a nice
That's
rope.
gonna mess up everything.
He's got a nice rope on him too.
Does he?
Yeah.
Look at him. Oh, he does have a rope.
Yeah, he does.
Holy crap.
That's a nice one.
He's got a big beard on him. Now, where are the other birds is my question. You wouldn't think that they split up.
No, you wouldn't think so.
Yeah, at least. Those other toms gotta be with them.
They might be still in the roost, would they? I mean, it is, what, 6:50.
Oh, it's a little bit early for them to be out of the roost.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Although I have shot a turkey at 6:48 in the morning. Oh, the cottonwood. See if I can get him to go. Those deer are gonna mess up everything.
Yeah. Well, we got a few turkeys on the ground already. 6:50 they were down at. A little bit early we were thinking, but I don't know, the sun is just starting to come up here. What do you think about them turkeys being down so early?
I couldn't believe it, honestly.
Yeah.
It's pretty early.
Tried to get him to gobble with a couple owl hoots, but nothing going. He was just strutting the stuff for his hens he's got there. Probably had about, what, 8 to 10 hens with him, you think?
Oh, something like that.
Yeah.
6, 8, 10 maybe.
We probably saw about 5 other toms there yesterday, but they weren't around this morning. I don't know. I don't think they'd be split up yet, but I guess you never know.
Yeah, it's still pretty early.
Yep, it is. Yeah.
But they're starting to split up a little bit, I guess.
That's right. Yeah, we still got 15 days till Jack here hits the woods. We'll be rolling film on him. We're doing a little bit of scouting mission this morning for him. Hoping to get him on some birds.
2 mornings in a row.
2 mornings in a row, that's right. 2 beautiful mornings in a row.
We did not film, but it was beautiful.
Oh, beautiful. Lots of wildlife around. Jack's out here trying to see if he can spot one right now.
They were out here yesterday. I don't see any right now, though. They're probably still in the trees.
Yep.
Kind of weird. That's the weird part, is because we saw turkeys on the ground already, and I don't know if they're in the tree or they're just non-existent now.
Yeah. Well, we'll find them.
Yeah, you're right.
Still a little bit early. Yeah, we'll get back to you when we find some more birds. Finally located some more turkeys.
You're right, Mason.
A couple of strutters up there.
That one on the back side's really big.
Oh yeah, on the top of the hill there, kinda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a long ways, though.
It is.
You could make a stalk on those if it was season.
Yeah, you could.